So all that it will give me is home. That's all. Because I'm here.
So when you were in the other box, the EC2 user, right? It gave
me
home.
EC2 user.
Okay.
So when I was here, it will start to count from here. EC2 user home / That's why I have EC2 user home /. When I was in Akin, it will start from Akin. Akin, EC2 user home. It will count backward until it gets here. So that's why you have Akin, EC2 user home /. So now that I'm here, count backward from here. It will be home /, right? So if I am here in Akin and I want to move back to EC2 user, what is the command I should type? cd space ... It means take me from this directory to the next directory behind. That's the meaning. So the command that will take me from this Akin directory to the directory behind Akin, which in this case is EC2 user, is cd space ... We started learning DOS command. Linux command. What if I am in EC2 user and I want to move to this directory? In other words, I'm inside this room now. I think that's a better way to explain it. I'm inside this room, but I want to get out of this room and go to the room. This is the door that leads to this room. So I just open here and I say, EC2 user, okay, I'm going back. I get out.
It's still cd .
Correct. What if I'm here and I want to move back one step there?
cd.
cd ... cd space ... So that is it. So let's go and everything you understand here now, let's go and do it. It will just give you the result that you expect. So let's go. But this time, let us make this directory Akin. So I'm going to show you how to make the directory Akin so that it just rhyme with what. So we do that. This is going to hang it. But we left it for too long. No problem. We just create a new session. So print working directory. We're an EC2 user. Let us create a directory there. The command to make directory is make directory. That's the command. And call the directory. Okay, before I even make command, let's see ls -l. ls -l. It tells me that there is no directory and no file inside this directory, EC2. ls means list the whole content of the directory, EC2 user. This is what you get when you double click a folder in Windows. It will list the content of the folder. Just that my folders are private and the files I would have just demonstrated. All right. So because in Linux, it is only your command prompt that you have. You don't have your mouse. And so you have to type in the command. I will do the equivalent. This is the command. And what does it tell you? 0. Not. Let us make something. Let us make directory. Akin. It is made. If we now do ls -l, it's going to show us now that we now have a directory Akin inside. Last time we did that, there was nothing inside. But because we say create a room and label it Akin. Right now, we now check. It now says, there's now a room. The name of that room is Akin. It was created February the 2nd. Is it the 2nd? Okay, whatever we're connecting to, they're already on the 2nd there. We can reset that, right? At 1:28. I think that's the time in. So what if we want to go into Akin? We will say cd directory to Akin. So if we now say print working directory, this is what you said last time. Akin user EC2 home. Correct. So from here now, let's start to. So if we do let's print working directory. If we now do cd ... and we say print working directory, we have moved away from Akin into EC2. So it's no longer showing Akin, it's showing EC2 user home. Okay. So if we type cd ... again, what happens?
Takes you back.
Just back one step. So it's going to take us to this part now because cd ... will move it away from here to the. If we say print working directory, it's going to be just okay. So from home, we now say cd space ... What do we have? No, it will take us to root. Remember, there is root, the slash one. Yes. If we say print working directory, that is the root directory. If we now say cd ... from the root, so even if we now say print working directory, we are still in the same place. This is the root. No other place to go. It's already at the bottom. You got that? Awesome. So now let's begin to climb again. From floor 0 now, let's go to floor 1. The command is cd home. So print working directory, we are back home now. If we want to go into EC2, how do we know there's EC2 there, by the way? The command to check what is there is ls -l. See that there is EC2. Oh, there's another room inside. Oh, yeah, let's go into that room. What's the command to go into the room? cd EC2 user. We are now in the room. If we say print working directory, we're going to see that we're in the room. Awesome. So what is inside this room? Is there any other directory inside?
We can check.
How do we check?
ls space -l.
-l, yeah.
Okay, -l.
Yeah, you're doing great. You're fine. All right. So we now say, wow, there's another directory inside. Akin. All right. How do I know it's a directory? Look at it. It's showing me here that it's the D there means directory.
Okay.
All right. So let's go into Akin. CD Akin. All right, we're now in Akin. So is there any other directory there inside? Let's check again. ls
Check.
minus l. No other directory. Now the
Mm.
last floor. All right. So that is how to move forward. Go up the lift or staircase to the floor above, or go down the staircase to the floor below, or using the elevator. You are navigating from one directory to another directory. So now we have learned these commands. Let's see how many commands have we learned. We can learn 7 commands today. So that will be enough because it's just the first. So let's see. So what have we learned? What commands have we learned? We have learned how to clear, print work. No, there's no capital letter in there. Everything is in small letters. So be careful. Print working directory, ls minus l. List.
CD space dot dot.
CD dot dot.
Correct. Make directory.
Directly.
Make directory.
Then CD.
Yes. Not really a command, but at least it's important that you know that it means the root directory, and this means change directory. Okay, this one means make directory, and then you want to give the name of the directory. Yeah, this one you want to say change directory to where? Change directory to let me directory CD. Yeah, take me back.
Then list the whole content. List the whole content.
Content. Yeah.
Is it this content or list directory? Which one?
Yes, list, because if there are files there, you still list them as well. So it's list content of directory. Yeah, it's better like this. List the content of a directory.
Print
so this
working
means,
directory. Print working directory.
Direct to. All right, and this one means clear. And so before you know it now, you have learned 150 commands. You started learning already. All right, so these are some of the commands that we have learned. Let's go and learn more. Any question on this so far? No, right? All right, so let's learn more commands. So what do we want to learn? So where are we? Print working directory. Actually, from this print working directory, instead of doing cd dot dot to bring you here, and then cd dot dot to take you home, and then cd dot dot to take you to root directory, you can actually just do cd root right away. Cd space root, cd space root, right? So that will just take you straight to the ground floor from. If I say print working directory now, it's going to show me that. So this is another command, cd space root. It means take me straight from wherever I am, take me straight to the ground. CD root. Did you get that? You didn't get that?
No, we got it.
We did.
Oh, okay. All right. And also, you can also do, instead of doing from root now, instead of saying cd home, and then from there, cd EC2, and then from there, cd Akin, you can actually just do cd straight to Akin, and then to take you all the way to Akin without stopping at cd dot dot. So if you see print working directory now, it shows that we are in. You can use cd root to go home, and then cd whatever you are going to get to straight there. It's like taking flight. No bus stop, no stopping at bus stop. All right.